Howdy-ho, friends. I've been asked so many times what I do for a living. I decided today you are coming to work with me. But first, that's right, the weather conditions. It was 95 when I left the office. The heat index is going to be 111. It's going to be a hot day to be moving equipment. If you're wondering, I own a sound and lighting company. It's small in size, just enough for me to manage, thank God. And today we're going to be doing a event. I think it's a wedding reception. I'm providing the sound, some lights, technical support, and I might do some DJ work. So let's get to the event and I'll show you what we're going to be doing. Pretty freaking cool. There's a little trail over there that I did not know about, and it's right next to the Missouri River. This is definitely something I'm going to check out in the future. This is a cool little freaking small town, man. I've never been here before. I'll be darned. I like it. Let's see what's going on. A little bit of traffic. Oh, wow. All right. Let's go this. Where'd that car come from? We're gonna die. Alright, there we go.
Continue straight onto South Main Street, then turn right onto English Landing Drive.
Okay, I better pay attention. There's the event center. I've never been here before. So we need to go talk to my contact to see if I need to come in the front door. Oh, I hear a train. Or a loading dock. Oh, look, cool, an old water mill. Huh. And stay off the grass. I can see that. That's cool. I just went in and checked it out. Now, I cannot show you anything when there's people in there, but they'll be leaving in a little bit, and I'll show you the load in. But it's gonna suck. That is a freaking cool railroad car. I wonder if we can check it out later. Anyway, now you're gonna wonder why I wear gloves. We gotta lift all this equipment and take it inside. I don't know if I'm gonna do 2 subs or 1, but some of them handles got little rough spurs on her, and they will cut the crap out of your hand if you're not careful. Let's go take a look from the back side. Oh, there we go. And this rack's kind of rough on the hands too. As you can see, we are definitely using the tactical 2-wheeler for this. Oh, it's going to be a rough one. 9 more trips to go. And I've got 2 hours until sound check, but I probably could get this set up in an hour and a half. We have everything in. It took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trips in. Now we set it up. I'm thinking hyperlapse. wanted to change on me a little bit, which was not a big deal. Added 20 more minutes into the setup time. Now I'm outside kind of relaxing and cooling off a bit before I go in and basically sit around and fix anything that's broken. Maybe we'll explore around this area a little bit too while we're at it. The show is over and it went freaking awesome. We even went into overtime for about a half hour. And now the fun part. We're going to take 5 trips out of here with all this and load it in the van. And we're hoping to get all this done in about 40 minutes or so I can get home at a decent hour, which I don't see happening. Crunch. Crunch. Oh, your God. Yep, let's get at the wall. Yep, there we go. Oop. I wanted to show you more of the load up, but there was a lot of people hanging out around the van, and I'm pretty sure they don't want to be on camera, especially how inebriated they were. It's funny watching drunk people load a U-Haul. Anyway, so my day started at 2 o'clock. It is now 1:22. We've got 24 minutes until I'm back at the shop. Oh, wait a minute, 14 minutes. I'm sorry. Oh, we were speeding. Need to slow down here a little bit. Once I get back to the shop, I got to unload half of this rig, put in another rig for tomorrow's show. Luckily, it's only one. Sometimes I'll have 2. Then I'll get home probably about 3:30. Watch a little YouTube. Probably go to bed and then get up again tomorrow about 9. I'm going to sleep in a little bit and start this process all over again. Now, remember at the beginning of the video I told you about the temperature? Well, I've sweated through 2 shirts and 1 pair of pants, and I think one of my socks is falling because it's very uncomfortable in my boot. Yeah, I know, friends. So it was a great show. Everybody had a great time. And if you're wondering who the DJ was, it was my sister. Yep, it's interesting. So I guess we're going to go ahead and wrap the video up. Comments are welcome. I'll try to answer them. But to be honest with you, I haven't even got to the ones from the last video yet. I feel really bad, friends. It's just once I get off work, I'm just beat. Like always, thanks for watching.